Hi there. Sorry it took me so long to respond. I was at the grand opening of the new Madison College South Campus, and it was a terrific day. So let's take a look at your results for the Chapter 3 mid-level. And you are asking about Step 17, which says make the, let's see, oh yeah, it's for the scatter chart. Make the scatter chart, or on the scatter chart, add the parchment texture to the plot area. So as you mentioned in your email, you have the parchment texture, but it's not to the plot area. So let me see. This one shows you what it should look like. So if I click once here, that's the plot area to the chart. I'm not clicking here. I'm not on the title. I'm not on anything else. I'm just on the plot area. Okay, so now let me show you what you've got. And is it this one? Nope, I need this one. There we go. So on yours, can you see how it's not assigned to the plot area? It's assigned to the entire chart itself. So you can actually leave what you have. It won't hurt anything. The system doesn't look for extra stuff in most cases. So here's what you need to do to earn that point. Open up your file, click once on the plot area here, and then go about all that other business. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, format plot area. That's, by the way, how you know you have the right thing, because it says format plot area. If you're clicked on the wrong thing, it'll say format whatever else you've got selected. Then we're going to say fill, just like you did before, picture or texture fill, and then by golly, I'm not going to remember which one it is. Pink parchment? What's it called? Pink parchment. So that one. And then that'll give you the points. I know it looks exactly the same, but there you have it. Save it, submit it, and then email me back if you have any other questions. You are doing awesome.